Guys, welcome back to the craft day. So today we are going to be doing something simple. We're going to be making gift boxes from Dollar Tree. And I decided to do that because the holidays are rolling around. So it'd be nice to make our own gift boxes instead of having to wrap them up and put a bow on them. We can just decorate the gift boxes and hand them over. So stick around. Let's head over to the craft day. This is everything you'll need if you only want to do Dollar Tree products. But as I was looking at this, I realized or remembered that I had a deco pen that I bought from Walmart and wanted to include this in the decoration of this box. So that's the only other extra thing I used, and the masking tape. I decided to decorate this box because it was a gift to my sister. So I thought it'd be really pretty if she got something from me that was handmade throughout, and I'm gonna put a handmade item inside of it. This is also a fine tip gold pen that I had lying around. And since October was Breast Cancer Awareness Month, she requested one of these, and that's what I sent to her. This is an extra one that I did for domestic violence awareness because October was domestic violence awareness as well. And I did it with a coloring pencil and a silver deco pen.